March is International Women's Day. You have organized the women's ride. So what do you like to say?
So today we've organized a women's ride. Okay, this has been organized by Lost Horizon and Velocity Superbikers Club. And I'll be the ride captain for today. My name is Aarti, and we have about 25 good women riders who will be joining us today. So along with, it's not just about the adventure, the spirit of adventure, right? It's also about embracing each other, empowering each other. And that's why all these women here have come to, support us. So yeah, that's it.
What are the precautions you are taking safety-wise?
So safety-wise, we've made sure that everybody's come with riding gear. Riding gear is your helmet, your riding jacket, and your safety shoes, the riding boots. So this is the minimum. And also we've instructed everyone about road safety. We're going to have a road safety briefing, so everybody will follow discipline on the roads.
Your route and the kilometers going to cover?
So we will be going up to Kortalim Circle and back. So it's about 25 kilometers one way, followed by breakfast. That's the plan.
So what do you like to say? You are the club member.
I would just like to wish every women a happy Women's Day today. And as associated partners with Lost Horizon, we have arranged this Women's Day ride just as an honor for women.
So do one need a sports bike only to be a rider?
No, not required. Not required. You can be on normal bikes as well.
So, any message from your side for the young youths about the road bike riding?
Bike riding is a passion. We always say pursue your passion with safety, with precautions, and follow the traffic rules and guidelines always, so that you are safe and the pedestrians are also safe.
So under your club, other activities you do?
Yes, like we usually have group rides, we have events which promote safety basically, and then we have tours also which we are associated with Lost Horizon, and Lost Horizon are like experts in female rides and female tours.
So your full name and designation?
Sorry?
So your full name and designation?
My name is Arman Sheikh. I am co-founder of Velocity India Superbikes LLP and managing director.
So what do you to say about today's event? What do you to say about today's event?
Oh, I'm really happy to see the turnout. I mean, we didn't expect such a turnout, and it is amazing that we are able to support the women riders of Goa. And we are going to have a lot of safety. We have the ambulance ready here, and Aarti is an expert in riding as a ride captain. So we are done. We are comfortable. We just want them to have a good time, and Women's Day is the best day to start.
So any message from your side for International Women's Day?
Keeping good, and that's it. Yeah. Amazing to have such women riders coming into the space where high speed and dexterity is required. So I'm really happy.
So what do you say about Lost Horizon, when it started in Goa?
Lost Horizon we established in 2024 June, and it is like exclusive rides for the elite or the premium tours all over India. Operations is from Delhi, but the head office is in Goa. So now we are starting a huge chapter in Goa, a huge group in Goa. I said the best way to start is women with the women group, because it's really a good platform to push women empowerment, like a CSR activity. And plus Lost Horizon also has a football club which has a girls football team, and they have done amazingly well.
Amazing.
So that's it.
So your full name and designation?
I'm Anthony Lisa, and I'm an ex-military officer, and right now I'm the director and CEO of Lost Horizon.
Ma'am, your full name?
Aarti Gaydon.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, I'd like to add about Velocity that you can edit anywhere. Hi, Velocity India Superbikes LLP is a premium lifestyle business entity, and through our community initiative, that is Velocity India Superbikes Club, we provide premium lifestyle packages. And in these lifestyle packages, the premium or prime benefit is of accessing superbikes. Like those who do not have superbikes, or those who wish, or those who do not have much time to take care of the maintenance hassles. So we provide them club membership. You can get the club membership and pursue your passion, and you can ride the multiple superbike that the LLP owns. Thank you.
Thank you.
हमारा काम हो गया फोटोग्राफी वगैरह।
the Verna Road, and we don't find the bridge, then you only take the Purchari. So can we now? Better? Okay, repeat again. I forgot what I said. Okay, so go towards Purchari. Okay, and so from there's a bridge towards Purchari, turn around, and then come back to it. You will stop at a couple of places for a photo shoot. That you don't follow your keep smiling and you never looking amazing. Okay, so about safety bit, all of us have a riding gear, all of us have a document, right? Okay, so the difference here is the riding in a convoy. Okay, so what is a convoy is we all follow either one file, single file or double file. Okay, so when I am in front, if I say this, but then this at least we follow a single file. So everyone goes in one line. Yeah? And when I say this, then you two lines or the other position. Okay, so is to keep your distance between the riders, okay? Because always be prepared for sudden braking. Yeah? There will be potholes, there will be speed breakers. Pay attention to the roads, pay attention to the blind riders. Yeah? And yeah, that's about it. Make sure you're all following the speed limits. Yeah, and just ride safe and have fun, right? It's going to be amazing. Yeah, then questions I'm there. And so one thing is always make sure that you see the rider behind you. You have to all stick together. So don't want the rider to get lost. Yeah, so if you don't see someone behind you, slow down. Yeah, and yeah, just keep safe with you. That's the most important thing. Back safely. That's the most important thing. Yeah? Yes. All right, let's go. Yeah, there's a surprise that this was after come back to us. We'll have a breakfast at Davis. Yeah, so yeah, we'll see you there. Alright? So keep following showing the signs speed up. This is I'm showing the signs. This is stop. Okay, so go stop and stop. So you'll see the front one saying stop. You also have to pass on the on the road, yeah?
No one, we are not here for race or anything, for show. We are riding to enjoy, turn, have a good time, we have photography, we go have a breakfast and we enjoy the ride.
Yeah.
Okay, so no one, absolutely no one here is under pressure to ride at 20. Amazing, no issues. Okay, please keep that in mind, that is the most important. Thanks.
Anyone needs water and all? Yes.
Anyone needs water?
We
I
have a
have water.
washroom here. If anyone needs to go to the washroom before we leave, it's right there behind. And water, anyone?
Yeah, I have water. Anyone needs water?
Anyone needs water. Yeah?
Just you can raise your hand if you need water. Cold or hot? Normal cold? Normal?
Everyone is clear? Okay, ride as per your skills, no worries. Don't fix your target. Just, I am repeating this, don't fix your target. If you see a person in front of you, don't fix that person कि मुझे इसके पीछे हमेशा रहना है. Okay, as per your skills, you just see the escape and exit. Okay, we will be riding slow. So don't fix your target, just focus on escape and exit. It's good thing that you all have come till here safely, then we will be in the convoy, ride safely and then we reach home back safely.
No, on small point, we changed the route actually based on the Google form inputs. So we were a bit worried about the, because the narrow roads along this. So we have taken the highway for the reason of safety. Because you all are riding as a new group, so we don't know each other much in a ride. So that is why we have changed the route. It's for safety purposes. I think we can all keep up and then we can be ready for the ride.